Okie dokie. In this problem, they ask which of the following equations describes the line that contains the points -6, 8, and -5, -6. So there's a couple different ways of going about this, but I'd probably go ahead and say let's find the slope first. Let's find the slope between these 2 points by using y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So y2, -6, minus y1, 8, over x2 minus x1, so -5 minus -6. Be careful of the negatives and double negatives and things like that. So up top we get -14. On the bottom we get -5 plus 6, so that would be 1. So -14 is our final slope. Notice that all of these equations are in the form of mx plus b. So we want to see m, the slope, in front of the x term. We want to see -14 in front of the x term, that is. So the only answer with -14 as the slope would be option A. Break out the eraser to see that A is our answer. Let's say you had multiple answers that had -14 as the slope. What you could do is plug in certain x values and calculate this to see if it outputs a value of 8. Or plug in -5 in place of that x and see if it outputs -6. So just as a demonstrator here, I'm going to plug in -6. -14 times -6 minus 76. Let's use Siri. Where's my Siri? Here we go. -14 times -6 minus 76.
It's 8.
It's 8. So that just shows that this ordered pair, makes this equation true, or when you input -6, this function outputs the value of 8, which, corresponds to that ordered pair. All right, I'm doing too much talking in circles. Let's do one more example. Looks a little crazy in the answer choices, but let's go ahead and start by finding the slope once again. So y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Up top we get -6 plus 4, which is -2. On the bottom, 3 plus 4 is 7. So we're looking for -2/7 in front of the x term. We see it here, not here, not here, and not here. That made it easy. A is our answer here. Hope that helped. If you have any questions on these, or if you see versions of this problem that we did not see or that are giving you trouble, let me know. All right.